Good morning, guys. Fresh update on Bitcoin. Some chop overnight. I don't think too much changed, to be honest. We got some people, flipping bull and bear within this range, while to be honest, nothing changed pretty much. I'll give you my short-term plans, but know that for the high time frame, I think yesterday close right straight up was pretty damn bullish. We closed above Monday high, and that's what's important. We again dumped straight from the open and barely made a wick to the upside. What I also like is that we left these highs up here unswept. Okay, so if we would have, swept, let me remove this setup for now. If we would have swept these highs, right, wicked those and then closed back down here, I'd feel less comfortable in longs, and it would make more sense to run some more lows. But for now, we left those highs unswept. Obviously, we have these highs unswept, meaning draw on liquidity. Well, still some nice liquidity to be run to the upside. Okay, so as I said, I like the daily close, and I like that we dumped from the open. So I think things still look good for higher. Okay, with that being said, what do we have on the lower time frames? Let me get in my original range again. So this was our range high. This was our range low. So low time frame, what do we have? We have this clean low and this clean high. So that's the lower time frame range within the other range. And what I could see here is a little more downside to take out that low, potentially even into range low. So I wouldn't be surprised if we dump a little lower. All I want to see is for this region to hold as support. Remember yesterday in the live stream where I said, where I talked about OTEs, right? Where I said we have the bullish retrace OTE lining up here if this was the top. And guess where we topped from the high to the low? Also OTE to the T, you know, it's pretty crazy. So we topped around OTE. Where will we bottom? Potentially at OTE as well. So for me, the line in the sand for bullish continuation to the upside is this area, okay? If you get dips in there, they should be a good buy, or I think that's a good long setup, okay, if you're not long already. So sweeps in there, invalidation below there, target all the way up there. Pretty straightforward. If we break back below here and start accepting some 4-hour closes down here, I think we will be wicking lower. Look for bullish price action into green and look for the daily to still close strong. If not, and the daily starts closing below these highs from back here, as I've said multiple times, then I think we'll be trading towards the opposite side of the range, all the way back towards these lows at 26.6. Okay, straightforward plans. In my opinion, everything looks good for higher prices still, as long as we hold above OTE area, 29.4K area, ideally. Okay. If we break above here, that continues, and holds above here, that continues. The breakout, in my opinion, and should send us higher towards, ultimately towards 32K. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thanks to PrimeXBT for sponsoring these videos. Use a link in the description if you want to join my Discord, and yeah, you can also get up to $7,000 in deposit bonus. So thanks to Prime for that. Leave a like on the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.